Past simple tense, reflecting on successful water conservation projects. In recent years, there have been numerous successful water conservation projects around the world that have made a significant impact on the sustainability of our environment. These projects have not only saved water resources, but have also helped reduce the carbon footprint, improve water quality, and enhance ecosystems. Let's take a look at some of these projects and how they have benefited communities and the environment. One example of a successful water conservation project is the implementation of low-flow toilets in urban areas. These toilets use significantly less water per flush compared to traditional toilets, resulting in substantial water savings over time. For instance, in New York City, the installation of low-flow toilets in public buildings and homes reduced water consumption by over 30% in just 1 year. Similarly, the construction of rainwater harvesting systems in rural communities has proven to be an effective way to conserve water. By collecting rainwater from rooftops and storing it in tanks, communities can reduce their dependence on groundwater sources and alleviate water scarcity issues. In India, the implementation of rainwater harvesting systems in villages has helped recharge groundwater levels and provide a reliable source of water for agriculture and domestic use. Furthermore, the restoration of wetlands and natural habitats has shown to be a successful approach to water conservation. Wetlands act as natural filters, purifying water and providing essential habitat for wildlife. By restoring wetlands that have been degraded or drained, communities can improve water quality, prevent flooding, and support biodiversity. For example, the restoration of the Everglades in Florida has not only enhanced water quality, but also protected endangered species and provided recreational opportunities for visitors. Overall, these successful water conservation projects demonstrate the importance of taking action to protect our precious water resources. By implementing sustainable practices and investing in innovative solutions, we can ensure a brighter future for generations to come. Let's continue to learn from these examples and work together to preserve our most valuable resource, water.